Hi everyone, thank you so much for visiting my channel again. I am Simply Kylie, and today I'm going to show you a very simple, easy manicure that you can do just using household items. I've already done this hand, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with my right hand. And all I'm using is, I do have this Vernis Classique, and it is in the color of metallic green. I've used the Orly Epix in close-up, and I've used Sinful colors, and it is the Kylie signature collection, which is KoKo-Nuts. I've already put my base, which is my peel-off base coat, which is from Finger Paints. And then I did a top coat on top of that with the Orly close-up. I've done 2 coats of the Vernis, which is the metallic green. And I'm going to show you on this hand how I done my manicure. So first I'm going to take the Orly Epix, and you have to do one nail at a time to do the swirls. And I'm going to do another coat of this because the other color had already dried, and cap the base of it. Then I'm going to open up the bottle for the 2 polishes. Okay. On one side I'm going to do, this is more like a white with gold shimmer in it. I'm going to do it nice and easy because we need this to be wet polish. And not too much because you don't want to overflow. And then the metallic green on the other side. And all we're going to do is take, voila, your household item, which is a toothpick. Start in the middle and just swirl it around. It's kind of hard showing you on camera, but that's all you do. Just swirl it around. Let me show you again with the other finger. Take the Orly, and y'all excuse my stained nails. I wear polish all the time, as you can see. And take the white, like so, and then the metallic green. And it doesn't matter if it mixes a little bit, but then you take your toothpick, go in the middle, and swirl it around. How simple and easy is that? Then what I did was I took a piece of aluminum foil, and to do the other nail like I have here with the little dots, and I'll just use this as my little palette. Just dot some polish in there, on there. Take your toothpick, swirl it around till you get like a little ball, and just place your dots where you want them to go. And that's just as simple as that. And then you have your manicure. So if you like this manicure, please go ahead and comment in the comment section and like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can get notifications on when I upload a new video. And I'll list everything that I've used in the description box. And again, don't get discouraged. Whenever you want to do something, stay encouraged. Again, thank you for watching. Smooches!